Guys, I realized the cotton part did not come in the video, so I'm going to show you how you can use the cotton wool and the cloves. Okay, clove water. This is some cloves water, and this is gauze. I don't have cotton wool now, so this is gauze. All you have to do is, in the night when you're about to sleep, you just, for the sake of the video, let me just do it like this. Okay, you do this. Okay, you do this and you insert this. Okay, if you have vagina itching, vagina infections, smelly vagina after your period, if you want to tighten your vagina, you need this. Okay, you insert this when you're about to sleep. You don't insert this and walk around. No, whilst you know you are not going to get up from the bed, you insert this. Then the next morning you take it out and you wash your vagina. Okay, yes, then you wash the place very well with cold water. Then the side and side of the flies, you know, the butterflies, you spread it like this and clean the side and side so that you don't get any smell. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Then you'll be drinking this, not this, I mean the clove water. You'll be drinking the cloves water at bedtime or in the morning, anytime you want. Then you'll be inserting this. Okay, you can do this every 3 days. And please don't forget to check my YouTube channel out. The name is Life with Ifwa. There's a link in my bio. Okay, there's a link in my bio. Just click on it. It will take you straight to my YouTube. Please subscribe, tap on the notification bell, scroll through the videos. You might find any of them that you are interested in. Subscribe, comment, share. Okay, I love you all and thanks for the love. I'm even surprised, like just 3 days I made this video, something told me I was about to drink the video. I was about to drink the cloves water and something told me to make a video of it for people to see, and boom, it went viral and now I got 10k. Thank you everybody, I love you. Okay, God bless you. Okay, I'm going to just use this. This is not going to be wasted. Okay, yeah, feel free to ask any questions you like. I will also bring the garlic method. Okay, garlic method is dropping